Hi everyone, welcome to BALCPIIE. In this video, we are going to see how to draw simple example drawings in AutoCAD. So in this class, I will be teaching you how to draw this simple drawing in AutoCAD. So let us go to AutoCAD. So here, I will be selecting a line. Before selecting a line, we should set units in order to draw. So for units, we will go to UN, enter. Here, we will be setting our units, that is inches into millimeters. Why? Because the drawing they have given is in millimeters. So I will set my units into millimeters and give OK. Now let's take a line. So I will specify my first point and I will turn on my ortho mode on, that is in order to get straight line. Now I will be drawing my drawing. So I will be starting from the left end. The height of this line should be 44, enter, and then towards right it should be 120, enter, and again upwards it should be 44, enter. And in order to do this top profile, we know this height is given as 33 and also horizontal height is 33. So let me take a line here. From this end, the height should be 33 and also towards horizontal, the length should be 33. So like this we will get a line. So again the next line is at a distance of 45. So I will draw 45 here and then we will turn off the ortho mode and connect these curves. Like this we will be getting our sketch. Now I will be deleting this line. Also we will be deleting this line. Now I take a line and connect these two curves. So now you can see the outline of our sketch is perfect. Then in order to draw these two circles, they have given a distance, that is for a big circle, the distance is vertical distance, it is given as 36 and the horizontal distance it is 36. So we'll take a line. So from this end I will be drawing 36 and also towards vertical I will be drawing 36. So here I will be taking circle from this end point. The diameter should be 36, like this. Also here from this end the other length should be 84 and vertically it should be 20. Enter. And I will be taking a circle one more, and at this end point it should be 20. This is how we draw a simple sketch in AutoCAD. Now let's go for dimensioning this sketch. For dimensioning we will go here, we will be selecting linear dimension, this end to this end, it is 120. Again from this end to this end it is 44. This line is 44. Also this line 45 and this height should be 36. This line 36. This length is 84 and the diameter of this circle 36. So the diameter of this circle is 20. This height is 20 and also this vertical height 33. Also the horizontal height should be 33. So this is how we draw a simple drawing in AutoCAD. So this is all for now. Let's meet in a next video. Thank you.